Hello everyone, welcome to Mandarin Classroom. 大家好，欢迎大家来到中文教室。I'm your teacher Jasmine Chang. Today we're going to learn the second lesson of Mandarin pronunciation courses. So, let's see the instruction of our session 2. We divided into 5 parts for this lesson. And firstly, we are going to review the finals, and then we are going to learn the initials and the tones. And at the end of this class, we are going to practice the complete syllables, and at last, I will leave homework to you to practice. So, let's move to the first part. Let's do the review about finals. I only read once, and please read after me to review. A, O, E, U, Ü, I, A, O, Ao, An, En, Ang, Eng, Om, Ya, Ye, Yao, You, Yan, Yang, Yin, Ying, Yong, Wa, Wo, Wai, Wei, Wan, Wen, Wang, Weng, Yue, Yuan, Yun, Okay, so that's all the review. I hope you could master them. So next, let's move to the initials. Today we are going to learn these 21 initials, but actually it's hard to pronounce the initials clearly, so we use finals to help pronounce. Like the first line, we ask O to help. We could spell and pronounce. The first line and the first initial is Bo. Second, Po. Okay, you could see I boxed these two initials because they're the couple. What does the couple mean? Actually, it means that two initials has no difference except if you let the air out of your mouth. Like Bo, you have to hold your breath and don't let the air out of your mouth. But we could see Po. You have to release the air out of your mouth. And you could see for these two couple initials, you could put a tissue in front of your mouth to feel the difference. Okay, so let's read again. First one, Bo. Bo. Second, Po. Po. Third, Mo. Mo. Fourth, For. Bite your bottom lip and pronounce. For. Okay, let's see the second line. We ask to help to pronounce. First one, De. De. Second, Te. Te. These two initials are also the couple, so feel the difference with tissue. Next, Ne. Ne. Next, Le. Le. Let's see the third line. We also ask to help to pronounce. First one, 歌 歌 Next, 科 科 They are also the couple. And the third, 喝 喝 Okay, that's the fourth line. We usually ask E to help to pronounce. First one, 鸡 鸡 Second, 七 七 They're the couple too. And third, 西 西 Okay, let's see the next line. We usually ask E to help to pronounce. First one, 知 You have to circle your tongue and keep it to pronounce. 知 Second, 吃 吃 And the next, 诗 诗 And the next, You have to make your tongue more back and pronounce it. Okay, let's see the last line. We also ask E to help to pronounce. First one, 滋 It's like the electric sound. 滋 Next, 呲 Air out. 呲 Okay, next, 丝 丝 Okay, when you pronounce this line, you have to fly to your tongue compared to the last line. Okay, so I hope you could practice and remember all the initials. Let's move to the tones. So, tones actually are very important and new to you guys to learn because sometimes you could see the words with same initials and finals but with different tones and the meaning are totally different. So my suggestions to practice more. So let's see the tones. We have 4 tones and you could see there are 5 lines. We could treat this line 1 to 5 as a music score, like do, re, mi, fa, sol. So actually, this class is a music class. You could find your key for these 5 lines. And we make a syllable ma to be an example to pronounce. Okay, let's see the first tone. It's in the highest line 5. So find your highest key and then pronounce smoothly. It's 5-5, so the pronunciation is ma, ma. Okay, next tone, the second tone. It's an up tone. You could see it's from line 3 to line 5. So you should go up and pronounce ma, ma. Very good. And let's see the third tone. Third tone is a little bit complicated because you have to go down firstly and go up. It's ma, ma. Okay, let's see the fourth tone. So this tone, it's from the top to the bottom. like someone punched you, and you can make the sound you feel hurt. So it's like 骂 骂. For the fourth tone, if you can't pronounce the fourth tone well, please ask your friend to punch you so that you could command this tone. Okay, that's all the tones. Let's do the syllables practice. I only read once from left to right. Okay, please read after me. Li, 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 li. Ge, 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 ge. Lo, 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 lo. Fen, 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 fen. Peng, 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 peng. Hong, 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 hong. Okay, so there's a homework for you. Listen and add the tone mark. I will read it twice from left to right, and you need to find out which tone for each syllable, and we will check in the next class. So let's start. Listen and add the tone marks. Ma, ma, 痛，痛，铝，铝，白，白，破，破，风，风，鼓，鼓，泥，泥，卡，卡，配，配，含，含，丁，丁。So, that's all our class today. If you want to continue learning, you can click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. We will update a series of Mandarin courses regularly every week. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a message in the comment area. If you like it, please give us a like and recommend to your friends. Thank you and see you next time. 我们下节课再见。